Hello and welcome to Bleak's Nature. I am your host, Hans Bleak. Today, bunnies of the field, also called Hossenpfeffer, when we eat them. And bunnies have a terrible life because they are stuck in bushes like the ones behind me, and there are hawks always ready to kill them, to take them in their talons up into the sky, into their own oblivion and doom. We, of course, face our own hawks in our own lives, which are, of course, bankers and the Bush administration as well. And so, if you look here, you will see another bunny racing away. We just missed him. He runs as fast as he can because he doesn't want to be another gingerbread man. This is another edition of Bleak's Nature with your host, Hans Bleak, which is me.